Your lesson essential question is, how do we identify the main topic and key details of a text? So today you're going to be learning about how to identify the main topic and the key details in a text, and you're going to learn what those are. To start, the main topic is what the text is all about. I like to think about it like a table. So if the text is all about something, to learn more about it, we need details to support it. Well, legs support a table. Key details support the main topic. So the main topic of a text is what the text is all about. The key details are the most important details that support the main topic. So there are going to be details in the text that are just there to tell you more and are just there to make the text more interesting. We need to be able to decide what details are the most important details. So we want to ask ourselves, what is the text all about? What details explain the main topic? And how are the details connected? So the first thing we'll do is we'll read the text and we'll decide what the text is all about by identifying the main topic. Then we'll identify the key details that support the main topic by identifying the focus of each paragraph. Then we'll talk or write about the text by explaining the main topic and the details that support the main topic. So knowing how to figure out the main topic of a text will help you understand what you're reading. Everything you read has a main topic. The main topic is what the passage is mostly about. Some passages have more than one paragraph or group of sentences. Each paragraph includes key details that tell you about the main topic. When you put all the details together, you will know more about the topic. Let's take a look at this really short passage called Home Sweet Home. Many early settlers in America lived in log cabins. They lived, ate, and slept in their log cabins. Log cabins were built from the trees. Trees were cut into parts that make logs. Curved notches were made at the ends of the logs. The logs were put together to make the walls of the cabin. A roof was made from rough boards cut from the logs. So I know the first thing I need to do is read the text and decide what the text is all about by identifying the main topic. So I read Home Sweet Home, and I'm starting to think about what it was all about. And I know that I read about log cabin homes that early settlers lived in. So all of this together told me information about those log cabin homes. I'm going back to the first paragraph, and I think that this paragraph really is trying to tell me that settlers lived, ate, and slept in their log cabins. So that's my first key detail that tells me about the log cabin homes. What about the log cabin homes is important? Well, it's important to know they lived, ate, and slept there. As I continue looking at paragraph 2, I think it's important to know that they were built from trees. Now, the next sentence says trees were cut into parts to make logs. That's not a key detail because that's just explaining more about how they built them out of trees. Same with this next sentence. Curved notches were made at the ends of the logs. The logs were put together to make the walls of the cabin. All of those sentences explain this key detail, how they were built from trees. So I don't need to include that in my notes, in my graphic organizer. It's just explaining a little more. I see here that the roof was made out of rough boards. Okay, so the cabin was made out of the trees and the roof was made out of rough boards. So I've identified that the main topic is the log cabin homes that early settlers lived in. And then I identified three key details from the text that really supported that main topic.